Imagine creating a complete business website in just 5 minutes using AI, no coding, no hiring expensive developers. Sounds impossible? Let me show you. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how you can build a stunning, fully functional business website using a powerful AI tool without writing a single line of code. First, we'll choose the right AI website builder. My favorite is Durable.co. It's fast, smart, and beginner-friendly. Just enter your business type and AI will do the magic. Enter your business name, select your industry, and within seconds, your full website is generated, including text, images, and layout. Now let's customize. You can easily edit your text, change images, adjust the color scheme, all without any coding knowledge. After designing, you can connect your custom domain and optimize basic SEO settings like titles and meta descriptions, all inside the dashboard. Finally, hit publish, and your website is live. Share it with the world and start growing your online presence immediately. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more AI-powered business hacks, and comment below. Which AI tool should we review next?